Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the top 7 futuristic tech predictions that are bound to blow your mind. Strap in, this is going to be a wild ride into the future of technology. First up, we've got quantum computers. Imagine a computer so powerful it can solve problems that today's machines can't even begin to process. With quantum computing, we're talking about a leap forward in fields like medicine, where we could see personalized treatments designed faster than ever. Next, let's talk about augmented reality, or AR. While VR gets a lot of the spotlight, Arkansas is set to change our daily lives. Soon you might be fixing your car with real-time instructions appearing right before your eyes, or shopping with virtual try-ons that look as real as if you were wearing the actual clothes. Number 3 is brain-computer interfaces. Yes, it sounds like sci-fi, but researchers are already developing ways to connect our brains directly to computers. This could mean controlling devices with just your thoughts, or even downloading skills directly to your brain. Matrix-style learning, anyone? Moving on, we have self-driving cars. They're already here in some form, but by 2040, they could become the norm. Imagine cities where all cars are autonomous, reducing traffic accidents and freeing up your commute time. Fifth on our list is space tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are paving the way for us to vacation in space. It's not just for billionaires anymore. In the next few decades, more and more people will have the chance to see Earth from the cosmos. Next, let's get into renewable energy advances. We're looking at potentially game-changing tech like artificial photosynthesis, which could dramatically increase our ability to generate clean energy. Imagine a world powered by plants and sunlight, where fossil fuels become a thing of the past. Lastly, we've got AI advancements. AI is everywhere, but the future holds AI that could be indistinguishable from human intelligence. This could revolutionize industries like customer service, where an AI could understand and respond to you just like a human would. These are just a glimpse into the future of technology. The potential is limitless, and the impact these technologies could have on our world is truly astounding. Stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, keep looking forward to the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.